SODAY sent us this 17-piece cookware set for our review, and this is awesome. It is a non-stick granite coating, and you get all the different sizes of the pots and pans. So you have the 4.5 quart here, you've got the 4.3 quart with the steamer, you've got the 11-inch frying pan, you've got the 1.5 quart, you've got the big boy over here, the 6.5 quart, and then you have the 9.5-inch frying pan as well. It also comes with 3 different utensils here, which are really great. And then the other thing it comes with are these here, which is really good if you are stacking these inside your cupboard. You would want to put one on the inside and put the other one in it so that they don't actually scratch when you are stacking them, which is really great. So I'm going to go ahead and for the first time use it. I'm going to cook an egg here on the pan. But before I do that, one of the things I do want to say as well, I love that the lids are all interchangeable. So you've got this lid here, and this will fit on top of here. This one here fits over here, which is really great because obviously if each one came with its own lid, I wouldn't have any space to put all of it. So that is fantastic. Really, really light as well. So it does have that granite coating, but doesn't make it extremely heavy, which is great. I did add a splash of oil on here, and I'm just going to cook an egg, and we're going to see how that goes. Hopefully, because I've used so many pans, even with using a little bit of a spray there, it still gets completely stuck, and then your egg is just completely ruined. So I'm excited to see how well this works here. This as well, as you can see, I do have a gas stove here, but this will also work on electric. It'll work on induction. It is for all stove types, which is really, really great. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this fancy new spatula that I have, and look at that. Okay, so obviously it's not fully cooked yet, but look, nothing is sticking at all whatsoever. Again, not fully cooked yet, obviously, but a lot of the times you see that that won't even move. It'll get all stuck to the bottom. So far, this is looking absolutely fantastic. Oh, I love a good frying pan, something that I can make these eggs in. Clearly, I'm a little bit too impatient, but I'm excited. It's always so nice to see when it's not all stuck and super gross at the bottom of your pan. So this one is the black. It does come in different colors as well. I do love these, like, I don't think it's actually wood. It feels like wood, though. It feels really good in my hand. It is nice and solid. I do love that it has the holes there. So if you do have a spot where you can actually, like, hang them up as well, that's really cool. So let's go ahead and give this a flip. And check that out. Look at that. No stick, nothing. Even right now, this is just slipping and sliding all over the place. Man, these are going to be so fantastic. If you're looking for some new cooking ware, these are awesome.